Hello, it's Jack from EU China again. Today I'm going to introduce you one shipping service called PreFBA shipping service, which means this shipping service help any Amazon sellers to ship any shipments from a China factory to any of the Amazon FBA warehouses in the United States. This service is by Mason Express, FedEx, and UPS. Let's call it MESNE. Mason China Long Beach Express plus FedEx and UPS enables any Amazon FBA warehouses in US receive products from a China factory within 3 to 4 weeks, as fast as 12 working days, door-to-door, DDP. It's hassle-free. Alright, so here is a freight calculator. You can just put in all the box dimensions like the length, the width, the height, the kilos, and the quantity. And then you can get the freight calculated out at the bottom. So let's, for example, the box is, let's see, it's 20 cm long, and it's 30 cm wide, it's 50 cm high, the kilos is, let's see, it's like 20. Okay, for this we have 5 boxes. Okay, there it doesn't change because there is a minimum quantity for this. This minimum quantity is 100 kilos. Because for this 5 boxes, it's not enough for 100 kilos. So they still charge the minimum as 100 kilos. So for example, if you have 10 boxes, okay, you see this is the freight calculated out. Total ships to US West is 286. If you ship to the middle, it's 314. If you ship to the US East, it's 343. If you have another box type in a shipment, you can put it here too. For example, it's another like we see it's 45, and it's 55, and it's 65. It's big boxes, but it's only like 10 kilo per box. So we'll put it like 5 boxes. Okay. So here you see for this shipment with this 2 type of boxes, 2 to 15 boxes. So if you ship to the US West, where the zip code begins with 8 or 9, the total freight cost is 585. So this price is all included. It includes all the freight cost from the factory to the Amazon warehouse. There may be a small difference, like it depends on where the factory is located in China. Maybe it's in South China, or it's in Eastern China, or it's in North China. But the difference here is very small because our warehouse is located in the middle, in Eastern China, where we can collect all the shipments from South and from the North. So you can use this freight cost here as the reference. It's a pretty much accurate reference. Okay, that's all for this shipping service, and I introduced you today. If you have any interest about this, feel free to let us know, and we will be very happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. We'll see you next time.